shooting everybody like.
Show him your Nerf gun. Okay, go.
Wait, I have to say. What else?
Okay, dude. Okay, someone else. Someone else.
No. You have to do it.
Hey!
No, I'm not gonna do it.
These are mine and Caleb Gomez's Nerf guns. Okay, hurry, Steven.
I'm Steven and I have the Mega Roto Fury. And he sucks up.
Hi, come on, Bianca.
Hi, my name's Bianca, and my YouTube name is Dog Blunt, and these are all my friends. Gavin's the one who's recording. Tyler's the one who.
And Dominic's the
What's up?
Hey, and Dominic's the fat one.
Hurry, come on, let's go. Let's do the
Fat
Nerf.
one and he's super
Let's
chubby.
do the Nerf war, people.
Wait, and I hope you subscribe.
No, we're gonna.
Let's go.
Hey, we will give you $1,000.
Hurry, come on, let's go.
Tyler, it's me, Tyler.
Okay, go. Go high.
Alright, we're staying here. We have to do this. We have to shoot them. Hey, let's go. Ooh, ready, set, go. Ooh! Oh! We're called the Shooter Megas!
And
Hold on.
what are y'all called?
What are we called?
Mega Roto Fury.
I got my Nerf Photo Furies.
Okay, let's start the battle. Oh, they're fighting. Here they come. Here comes the Mega Roto Fury. Oh, someone shot. Someone shot. Oh, Tyler Swain just shot Steven. Oh, he's dead.
Yeah, I died, man. I died.
He died. Oh, they won. They won.
Awesome champion,
What's y'all's name? Oh, let's give it up for these nuts. Woohoo!
Hey, Tyler, come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Man, the bullet.
Really? We're making the YouTube video.
I don't care.
I guess.
I will be famous anyway because I killed both of them.
Yeah. Everybody. This is a loser team.
Hey, ladies, are watching this?
Come hang with me. Come fight with me if y'all have the worst Nerf.
Taylor Swift. Yeah. Okay, that's it. What I push now? It's done.
Oh, we are?
We made a Nerf